Good morning, my dear students. This is class 4th, subject English speaking. Topic is speaking cards. Speaking card is an interesting activity related to the speaking. While we are doing speaking activities, we can use these cards for making our classroom interesting. In this, a set of speaking cards to be used in the English speaking learning classroom. It is designed to visually learn the English meaning of the word with a different design. Here are some examples of speaking cards. In this picture you can see some topics are given in which you can choose any one of them and you can speak about the topic, like talk about what you like about your house or apartment, talk about things in your home you couldn't live without. Some other are talk about the best hotel you have ever stayed, talk about houses of the future, okay, in which you want to live. Or else you can talk about eco-friendly houses. This is related to nature or science. So these are some example in which you can speak a few lines. In this slide you can see instructions are given that select 2 or 3 speaking cards and ask the questions to your classmate. You can make some notes, okay. Some few questions are there. You can ask some question related to the card to your friend or your classmate. In this way you can make this class more interesting. We can also learn in a fun way method with the help of role play cards. We can choose any cards and we can play any role of the topic. In this way we can use these different cards in our English speaking classes. So you can do practice with your friends, with your classmates, with your brother or sister also, okay. So this is your homework, that make some cards on different topics given in this video and you can do practice with your friends. Goodbye, take care. So this is your homework, that make some cards on different topics given in this video and you can do practice with your friends. Goodbye, take care. So this is your homework, that make some cards on different topics given in this video and you can do practice with your friends. Goodbye, take care.